Hey kiddos, welcome to another Mr. Duncan Online, the show where I share tasks about Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and whatever happens across my mind. Today I'm going to show you how to set your margins so that you'll know how to do that for your brochure task. So margins are found under the page setup, which is found under File. So click on File, click on Page Setup, and then right here you'll see where I'm circling my mouse, there's the margins. So I'm just going to click in there, and I want my margins to be 0.25. So I'm going to put 0.25 tab, 0.25 tab, 0.25 tab, 0.25 tab, tell it OK, and boom, all of a sudden I've got narrow margins, which will make your creation of your brochure that much easier. So have fun. The project's due next week. Okay. Thanks a lot for coming to the show. Bye.